Okay, so I got this proposal sent in, this time from Christiana. Let's see what we can do about it. Okay, so first off, yay for client names. If you know me, you know I love including the client's name in my greeting. It goes a long way to personalize your proposal. I also love how you asked to see the client's website. That's really important. It shows interest, it shows that you care, and it kind of keeps the line of conversation open, so they have to reply to you and start a conversation with you. I also really liked how you included a sample of your work. This is really important. I feel like, especially if you're a beginner, but always, you should not only say you can do something, you should show them how you do that specific thing. So for example, I do social media management and I create a lot of content for my clients, but what if my style of content is not what the client likes? I always send a little portfolio with my samples of work so they can see whether or not they like my work and they want similar things done for their account. And another thing I really liked about your proposal is your click the green button call to action. That's awesome. I would have never thought about that, so I'll probably steal that for a future proposal if you don't mind. Going into things I would change about your proposal, there are some slight grammar mistakes that Grammarly could have possibly helped with, so I would install that extension. It's totally free, and I highly recommend it to just give a little last proofread to your proposal before sending. I would also probably make it shorter, again, thinking about how clients are busy and they are probably reading through a lot more proposals. So you want to keep it short and to the point. Really focus on what they get from hiring you, why you're the perfect one for the job, and really why you're applying to this job versus any other job. Like, you really got to show your excitement about it. Like, for example, a part that I would delete is the I am confident that my skills part right in the beginning. I think it's just fluff and it probably shouldn't be there. Another thing I would delete is the if you hire me part. Like, where you say, if you hire me, you can be guaranteed that you will receive high quality work, prompt delivery, and attention to detail. I just think that should be a given, and it shouldn't need to be listed in your job post unless the client specifies it in the job post. And hey, I'll say it again, the best way to show excitement about a job post is through videos. So if you dare, I highly encourage you to try and record a little intro video using loom.com. Something like 1 to 2 minutes, nothing long. Again, keep in mind the clients are busy, but just introducing yourself to them, letting them know, hey, this is me, this is what I do, and this is why I like to do it, and this is why I would be a great fit for your job. Real quick, to the point, just show your personality and show your excitement. And that's about it. Now, if you do want to get your proposal reviewed here on the channel, I'll have a link down below where you can submit your last proposal for me to review it for free in a future video. Oh, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out when it's your turn. I'll see you in the next one.